Alright, you diesel drinking, spanner swinging legends, this one's for the blokes keeping $1 million iron alive in the dirt. If you're a diesel mechanic, field service supervisor, maintenance crew working on mining equipment, civil construction gear, heavy equipment, and you need a heavy duty trailer that's going to stand up at the test of time to help you keep your clients' machines running day in, day out, stick around because this is probably going to keep you interested. Pro Series 5.4 by 2.4 metre flat top trailer. We've got our 70mm toe ball coupling, all our standard accessories at the front here. We've got the 12 volt battery setup that runs your hydraulic crane, and it also runs your disc brake hydraulic actuator. System runs off the same battery. We've also got the 250mm Dropside package that's powder coated in the Land Cruiser Silver. Against the texture black finish, it really pops, it really gives you that cutting edge that your gear and equipment and your business needs. Featuring our premium 1800 field service toolboxes. There's an aluminium, dust, waterproof and lockable toolbox. This one's got our standard 4 drawers and a fixed shelf in it. Perfect for general parts, general tool storage. We can custom build internal fit outs if you need. Underneath here we've got the underbody 500mm toolboxes. Again, perfect for tools storage. They're dust and waterproof, they're aluminium, they're premium quality. The suspension opted for the customer on this is the ever reliable rocker roller suspension. We've got our 16-inch Land Cruiser wheels and tyres. We've got 3 sets of 11.4-inch disc brakes on this puppy, so that braking is phenomenal. The braking power that you'll have will rival any trailer that you've ever towed. But not only will the braking power be unstoppable, the longevity of a disc brake far outweighs the initial cost. So keep that in mind. We've also got the 5-stud 5x150 Land Cruiser hubs on this one, and the Maxxis Razr all-terrain tyre. A perfect tyre for exactly what this trailer will do day in, day out. Mine sites, civil stripes, anything that's heavy duty, anything that needs a good quality tyre. At the rear of the trailer we've got twin 15 litre water tanks, perfect for washing hands, keeping your tools and equipment clean. Yeah, nice little addition on this one. At the back of the trailer we've got the ever popular HIAB crane. So this is a 023-3, which means, as you can see, we've got 3 stages of hydraulic extensions. We can do a manual extension on top of this as well, but this crane, as you can read it up there, it'll lift around that sort of 600 to 700 kilos at its full extension right now, or it'll lift 1 ton at roughly 1 metre from the base of the crane. Customer in this case has opted for it to be mounted at the rear passenger side corner of the trailer, giving him perfect access to parts and equipment for pretty much the front of those toolboxes right around to the front of those toolboxes. So a great option if you are lifting parts in and out of machines, tight places, hard to access places. You can reverse the trailer and you can lift your gear out and you can do your work and make your money. The Ox Trailers design team has engineered a custom crane subframe assembly that essentially mounts the crane to the tray and then also to the chassis. So this is a fully engineered and designed subframe, and the customer has also opted for the manual stabiliser legs at the back. We can do a hydraulic leg if you require. So if you're looking for the complete package, whether that be compressors, oil tanks, grease kits, supplied with a flat top trailer ready to work, Ox Trailers it's more than got the capabilities to custom design a solution for you guys. Now this particular customer has opted for the FS Curtis compressor. It's a whopping compressor at 65 CFM. It's got the custom mounted points in the tray, keeping it secure, protected and ready to roll when you need it most. Red dirt, hydraulic oil, 40-degree heat, yeah, we know it, but you're still sitting there craving a trailer, a mobile workspace, a solution that enables you guys to get in, get stuff done faster, better and safer. Hit us up guys, because it's only the start.